Excuse me, guests. Sorry.
Carry me out, he got a Linstead market, not a quantity what sell. Carry me out, he got a Linstead market, not a
That's
quantity
a
what
nice one, baby. Can I
Oh
see?
Lord, not a bite, not a bite, what a Saturday night. Lord, not a bite, not a bite, what a Saturday night. Everybody come feed up, not a quantity what sell. Everybody come feed up, not a quantity what sell. Oh Lord, not a bite.
Neighbors, what's up? So, first of all, I got this new mic. So I'm trying it out. Can you see me later?
Yes.
Am I in there? Okay. So I got this new mic last week. But of course, my regular tripod that we use, walking like this, is not working. So I'm using probably a 6 foot tripod to film right now. So that's how we're going to kick off the vlog. Something broke, but we have something new. Just going to roll with the punches. And it's been a disappointing week for me in more ways than one. I wouldn't say it was a rough week, but it has been a challenging week. But I wanted to remind you of something because Tina made something clearer to me. I shared a scripture a couple of weeks ago, but I overlooked the first part that said, "Behold, God is doing a new thing." And this is my encouragement today. Sometimes you may not feel it, you may not see it, you may not even be able to sense it, but just trust that God is doing a new thing. And it's like sometimes the just environment that we're in kind of just speaks to us, even though we feel like we're being challenged. I feel that God is doing a new thing. Let me show you. So, by the way, this is the tripod I'm using. This is what I normally use. So when I'm doing, those shots, I can walk like this. Just imagine me now. I'm going to be walking with you, and this is what I'm going to be walking with in my hand. That's funny, right? Are you going to hold it? You want to hold it for me? No, I think it's going to be a little awkward. Let me try to do it, okay? Tell everybody hi. How was your week? How was your week at school? How was it? Was it a good week?
No.
Did you have a good week, Zara? You want to tell me about play day at school? Why did that play day? You rode bicycle at school? What else you did?
Play.
You play what kind of games? Chelsea. Oh, and that's something else to update you on because remember last week in the vlog, not last week, the week before in the vlog, where Tina and Hannah stole the cat from Helshaw, the white cat that we call Coconut. So Chelsea and Coconut have been trying to get used to each other, and I think, okay, I did. Yes, I called the name. Chelsea and Coconut have been trying to get used to each other. So I'm going to let you know if we can find Coconut because she's been out from morning. We don't see where she went. Chelsea, what have you been like in Coconut's company? What you have to say? Chelsea, what you have to say? You want us to keep Coconut? Hello? He's at a loss for words. Say neighbor, just imagine, just look at what's going on around. I don't remember if this is the canna lilies or the heliconias, but look, this week it started to bloom and it's just like so vividly red. A couple of the flowers fell off already, but they just keep coming back and giving off more. And this one right here is on the verge of doing so as well. But there's something else down here. And yes, I'm running with the 6 foot tripod. I'm running with the 6 foot tripod. Guys, look at this. You see this star apple tree? It's star apple or star fruit. Star apple tree. Listen, we've been here for over a year now, and you know, say star apple tree mean, right? Star apple trees are the meanest tree because them say it's going to stay up there ripe and until it just drop off or bird take it. Look at what is happening on this star apple tree, neighbors. I can reach star apple. It's not ready yet, it's not ripe, but watch here. Even if it wanted to withhold the bounty from me, I can reach it. Even Leila and Zahra probably could have reached it. And they're like a whole heap of them. Can you see that? I've never seen this since we've been here. And then there's a whole story about the jackfruit tree that's the most out of this jackfruit tree that I talk about. Woo! This jackfruit tree, not jackfruit, so the star apple tree. I mean, it's like, it blows my mind seeing so many star apples within our reach. Thank God. And then the noni tree is noning again. Can you believe it? I don't know what to do with the noni tree, with the noni fruit, but it's so awkward using the 6 foot camera. Oh my gosh. Yes. I don't know what to do with the noni, but I hear it has a lot of benefits. But it's like, as I say, you know, trust God, His word that He's doing a new thing, and then, and that is how He's going to then be making ways in the deserts and streams in the wilderness. So don't forget that first part. It's a new season. It feel new, even though it don't look new. Hope I'm looking okay in this 6 foot with this tripod, but I hope you understand that and hope you get that today. But I'm going to share what Tina has been doing. She's been devoting a lot of time to our jackfruit tree. So the progress of the jackfruit. Look at this. Look at that one. Look how it's coming on. Yo! And there are at least 3 of them. I'm laughing because I'm holding the 6 foot tripod. Where? Alright, I'll come in. See the other one. See one more. Where is it?
Wait,
I can't see it.
let me
Man, no, I can't navigate. I can't, no. Let me try to find the other one in the front. Ah, see one more there? If I could just find it on this phone. You see it, Leila and Zahra?
yeah.
Where? I can't find it.
We're at the top.
Uh, for some reason, when I look through the phone. Ah, wow. Yes, you saw that gun coming on? My gosh. But yeah. Huh? A lot of jackfruit? I agree. We're going to.
See, I saw one.
You saw one? Alright.
That's the same one.
But even look at these. Bougainvilleas have been here for so long, and the dry season just got them really, really blossoming beside these marigolds. But Tina has been up to some planting and some digging and some getting some things straight because what you're seeing here is
Pumpkin.
what is it?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins, right? And these pumpkins were actually just kind of thrown down, and the seeds just sprouted. So she moved them from where they were and put them here under the protection of our currently out of use chicken tractor to protect against the chickens from next door that normally come. But yeah, some pumpkins are on the way.
And they're planted with some marigolds.
Oh, right, for
Chelsea,
protection
don't go there.
as a natural pest repellent. Chelsea, you'll be the talk of the town soon. soon come talk to you about your coconut. So right now, this is another bed that she created that we're going to just throw some seeds in.
Hi. All right, so what I have here, we have several seed packets, all of them expired. So we're going to do an experiment where we're going to mix up everything and just spread them all over this bed here and see what germinates, what takes. So the naseberry tree here kind of shade this little bed here a little bit. So we put in the plants that can manage a little bit of shade and late afternoon sun in here. So along with my trusty marigolds, never fail to germinate. I put in some of them in there as protection, 2 seed heads roughly. I have some cilantro here.
I can eat.
Cilantro, yeah man. Cilantro is an herb. Leila and Zahra, you hold this.
Yeah.
Just hold the packet for me. Just hold the packet for me. We have some lettuce. I think this one, babe, you tried to germinate some out of this already.
Yeah.
But this is from September 2023, you know, so I'm not hopeful. We'll see what happens.
There's life in the seed.
Nothing in there. Oh.
It's a
Oh,
plastic
it
bag.
actually wasn't. It looked like it never opened.
No mind, they open and
It
just
did
close
open?
back here.
Okay. Okay. In goes lettuce. Parsley. I want some of this. I'm going to put some of this with the pumpkin and see. So I'm not going to use everything. So we're using some. I will leave back a little bit. Carrot! Hey! It's a potpourri of seeds.
Oh, pak choy too.
Yeah,
Can I put some
Popchoy
pak choy
going
in
there.
there?
And I mind my dirty fingernails. I've been digging up in soil from morning, trying to get the beds for these seeds ready. And lastly, kale. I really eat kale still, you know, but if you grow it, grow. We make use of
All
it.
these things can grow together.
Yes, so all of these things, these leafy vegetables and herbs and carrot is a root. They can all grow together. So says ChatGPT. ChatGPT told me so. So if you not go so ChatGPT fall. And last but not least, Pak Choy.
Pak choy.
Pak Choy. Pak Choy, whatever. Alright, so this is going in the mix also. And then we're going to spread them out. And we'll see what happens, whatever germinates. If we need to thin, we thin out. And see. So the bed here now, not perfect still, you know, but still have a few little stones and things. So then I'm going to get some compost and just cover it over with a little bit of nice rich compost. And we'll just put a thin layer of it.
What's that you doing?
Yes,
Too?
that's how you can do it. Your hand, take up some in your hands, Zahra. You see that the wood that we have from the branches that we pruned off of the trees. You see the areas that are the trench in this trench here that I've dug. Yeah, I want to put some of those logs because over time they're going to break down and they will help to nourish here and kind of help keep the moisture in the beds, slow down the evaporation of the water from that settle into these trenches.
But the other day, I woke up and ow!
Woo!
Not joking, that did hurt. Oh crap. Ah gosh. Woo! I woke up with a song on my mind. Maybe that's why it's happening. I woke up with a song on my mind, and it was strange because the song is a FC Barn song, and I don't like. I don't have anything against FC Barn. I just don't like his music, not my style. So that was kind of double strange. So I told Tina what song came to my mind when I woke up, and the song was "I Learned How to Lean and Depend on Jesus. Mm. He's my friend, and He's my God. I learn how to lean and depend on Jesus. Yeah. That's not my style, but as I opened my eyes, that was a song on my mind, which is strange because I don't listen to FC Barnes music. But the song was saying, I learned how to lean and depend on Jesus. It's cool, noted, but it got to me so much. I mentioned it to Tina, I said, yo, this song came from mine and I find it weird. It's not like it's a Tarty Bird song or something, I just find it weird. So really, for the past couple of days, the scripture, trust in the Lord with all thine heart, has been on her mind. I was like, would you look at that? So I must learn how to lean and depend on Jesus. And she's being told to trust in the Lord, which is the same message. So neighbors, anything I tell you, any encouragement I give you, don't feel like say I'm telling you from a place where I don't need it, or it don't apply to me. It really does. And my encouragement is to trust God, learn how to lean on God. And it's hard, but what other choice do you have than to trust the God of the universe, right? So I'm going to finish cutting up these logs while you chew on that, like I got the opportunity to. Yeah. I'll see you on the other side of this break. It's been almost a week since we planted at that bed, and this is what we've gotten. Rice and peas, otherwise called coal bush, otherwise called a nasty vine that grows over your nice vegetation, your nice hedge and everything there. That's all we've gotten so far. Yeah, so it's as we said, they were kind of expired, so we weren't sure what would have come up, but it's been more than 7 to 10 days or thereabouts that they usually take to germinate, and what we've gotten so far is not what we expected, but we are still hopeful that something will come up that we are pleased to report. But so far, at least we have proven that the soil is fertile and it is ready. We just haven't found the right recipe as it, or the right seeds. It's not us, it's the seeds. But what we do have going on here, who can tell me what this is? Who from St. Elizabeth can tell me what these things are that are growing here? These are nice escallions. These are scallions. So I'm just lay aside my rice and peas. If you could smell this here. Yep, nice herbs. excuse me, guests. Sorry. Guests, sorry. This truck is going on too much now, but sometimes we have vlogs, we have videos prepared, but we just don't get the time to edit them. So this vlog, from the start of the video to the end of the video, it's spanning like probably 2 weeks at least. So it may seem kind of, how did we get here so quickly? But no, time passed and we're here. Look who I found. Hiding from the little ones because they handle her so low. But let me tell you about this cat and her 1 month here so far. And I've kind of lost track where we are in the vlog, so this is going to be the last video that we'll put together and call it George. So she's trying to run away. We're not going anywhere. So this little cat, remember we took her just by now probably 3 to 4 weeks ago from Hillshaw, and she has adapted really well. Trying to sleep in the bed at nights with us, if we kick her out, right, Coconut? That's the next thing up for debate, whether her name should be Coconut, Coco Melon, Cocoa Butter Lotion, or anything like that. So give us no, don't run. You're mine. Don't run. This is exactly what the children do to her, especially the smaller ones, Eden and Eva. They hold on to her so much that she literally runs away from them. When she sees, especially Eden and Eva, she runs away like, where's my escape point in the room? And then back when they're gone to bed at night, she comes out and plays and par with me and Tina and Hannah. Because we don't run, they literally run her down. So I guess she just kicked the Hannah a while ago. But she's a nice little cat. Chelsea is getting used to her. But as I said, what name are you thinking? We're torn between the coconut and the cocoa melon and the cocoa butter lotion. Drop in the comments what you think. But I'm going to end the video right here. See if we can put something together to thread a story. And then by the time you see this video, we're working on another vlog. So neighbors, all the best. Until we see each other again, big up on yourself from me, Coconut, and the rest of the hosts. Bye.